As you can see, this is the engine for Coxx Racing. It's got Dyno. Give you a description of this combination. It's got AFR cylinder heads on it. Custom grind hydraulic roller, custom pistons. Got the rear sump oil pan. That's a Borla setup. Obviously fuel management. Holley Terminator X, great system, very user friendly. Dual sync distributor. And it's got the custom engraved valve covers. Take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,600, 472 foot-pounds of torque. Peak torque 544. Lots of 40s there, really good. Peak horsepower 588. Rated at 570, so it runs really good. A lot of 80s up there. So we'll get her off there, get in her crate, head your way. Have a great day.